Today we are making s'more stuffed cookie cups. Now we're going to start with a honey graham cracker cookie as the base. You're going to need 3/4 cup butter, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup sugar. Then you're going to add 1 egg yolk and 1 extra egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and mix again. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix. Add 1 cup and 3/4 cup flour. Mix it again. Now we're going to add 1 cup of crushed graham cracker. You're going to mix the dough until it's nicely combined, and then you're going to chill the dough for 30 minutes. Then take 12 large marshmallows and roast them in the oven. It's time to make the marshmallow buttercream. What you're going to need is 1/2 cup butter, 1 1/2 cup powdered sugar. You're going to go ahead and mix that together. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and mix it again. Then you're going to go ahead and add those 12 roasted marshmallows that are cooled into your butter mixture and 1/2 jar of marshmallow cream. You're going to blend this all together for about 2 to 3 minutes until you get a nice, fluffy, smooth marshmallow buttercream. Put your buttercream frosting into a frosting bag and set aside. Now we're going to make the cookie bases. Take the refrigerated cookie dough and scoop it into a mini muffin pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Now it's time to make the chocolate ganache. Take 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips and pour 1/2 cup heated heavy cream over it. Let it sit for 5 minutes before stirring. This is really important. Once it is sat for 5 minutes, you go ahead and stir it until nice and smooth. Once the cookies are done baking, take them out of the oven and let them sit. They will collapse on their own, making it perfect to fill them with the chocolate ganache. Stir the chocolate ganache and spoon a little bit into each cooled cookie cup. Chill these filled cookie cups for 15 minutes. Now remove the cookie cups by lightly twisting them out of the pan. And now it's going to be time to frost the cookie cups. Take your buttercream frosting that is in your frosting bag and swirl the frosting on top of each cookie cup up into a peak. Then you want to sprinkle some crushed graham crackers and some mini chocolate chips. And there you have it. That is a s'mores stuffed cookie cup. Enjoy!